Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the New Balance 574s. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below, we try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys we can't do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the New Balance 574s, and in my opinion, if we're looking for an essential sneaker to wear every day, these are it. This is it. I mean, this is it. Easy to wear. Once we get unboxing, we'll show you the pros and why everyone should own a pair of New Balances. But before we get unboxing, we'll go through the sizing. Unfortunately, these aren't my size, so there's not going to be an on-feet review at the end. My brother lent this to me, so big shout out to my youngest brother, Bernard. He may be the youngest, but he's the tallest out of 3 boys, and obviously he's got bigger feet than me. We got this in the UK size 9, it's a European 43, and it's a US men's size 9.5. And here we go. There. Now we have done a 574 review in the past. Check that out if you ever want to see our old videos or want to see another colorway. We also have done the updated version of the 574s. Check that out, I wasn't the biggest fan. When it comes to 574s, New Balance heritage sneakers in general, I prefer their old school, their vintage classics, like the 574. I remember seeing the 574s all over the gaff around 2014. Didn't think anything of it. I really thought they were dope sneakers, don't get me wrong. But at the time, New Balance wasn't popping as it is today. Nowadays, everyone's wearing New Balance, and we've got here in my hand probably one of the easiest, I'd say the most stylish. It's one of the most iconic after the 990s, 574s, easy color, and we'll get into the details right now. So we start with the outsole. It's an all rubber outsole, got all this traction patterning around here, New Balance logo at the heel. Obviously New Balance were made for running. This is designed with running on mind. The midsole unit, it's the foam midsole, but you got the end caps, therefore your durability, stability for every step that you take. You can see in a lot of New Balance sneakers that end cap is there very on. Now we move on to the upper, and when it comes to New Balance sneakers, I believe that the grey sneakers are the best colorways. Obviously I can rave on about my 990s till the days old. These very similar in color. We got a darkish grey, very nice suede nubuck uppers. You can see it all around. Big N logo for the New Balance here in the leather. At the toe box, as I mentioned before, you've got that nubuck surrounding it, but just underneath you've got the mesh, and it's in this tinge of blue and grey. It's a mix of the two colours, and it complements it so well. The medial side's got the N logo as well. Looking at the lacing system, typical lacing system, we're using the flat laces. Very nicely padded tongue. The outer is made out of leather, but just underneath it is very nicely padded. Foam insole as well with textiles. You've got the New Balance 574s. Just before we move along, 574 on the tongue as well. At the back, at the heel, you've got the New Balance logo, and it's in this leather panel, very supple leather as well, I must add. The interior, so where your ankle support is, it's very nicely cushioned. You've got a leather outer as well there for your comfort. And that rounds it off. I can't tell you guys how important dad sneakers are in regards to fashion. We've seen it time and time again. We've done many reviews of dad sneakers in the past, so do check those out. We've done 574s. We've even done a couple of Balenciaga-esque lookalikes with the Triple S. We've done with other brands such as Zara and these fast fashion brands. We've done the Zara one, we've done River Island, so check those out. But we have done New Balance in the past, so do check those out. I'm a big fan of New Balance myself. I wear a lot of these. Unfortunately, I'm not going to try these on because these aren't my size. They're going to be way too big for me. But if it means anything to you, or you want to know my personal opinions on sizing, I suggest that you get your true to size fit. I'm a UK size 7.5. I have 7.5s and my other New Balances, and we've done the basketball ones and those fit great. So I'm just gonna end it here. We'll show you some B-roll before we sign it out. And unfortunately we don't have anyone to try these on, so as I mentioned before. So here's some B-roll for you.